If you are very uncomfortable with your MacBook sleeping problem, then this video is for you. In this video you will learn how you can actually prevent your MacBook from sleeping, so watch this video till the end. You need to follow my steps. Here, you can find different settings. Now, you need to set each and everything on never. You can also change the setting according to your need. Just do what I am doing. This is how you can make your MacBook screen awake and prevent it from sleeping. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.
If you don't want to miss these types of tutorials, then make sure to subscribe tutorials.globally.com channel.